In this video, I will show you how to create viral AI music videos using Freebeat AI's new on-beat music video effects. These effects turn any music into a viral AI music video in minutes.
91, hey. We were young and loud and stuck in a strobe lit sugar rush. Can we get that midnight touch? Hands up high, we won't sit down. Jump until we shake this town. Same old track is all we need. Midnight nostalgia on repeat.
To create an AI music video like the one you just saw is very simple and easy. All you have to do is go to Freebeat AI, go to their music video agent, select On-Beat FX, and choose the effect you want to use. Then add the song you want to sync to the effect. Change the image to the image you want the AI to use to add the effect, and then click Generate. After a few minutes, your video will be ready. And if you create a couple of these and stitch them all together, you will have a full music video. So, if this is something you're interested in, hit that like button and let's get started. I have left a link to Freebeat in the video description if you want to follow along, and there is also a link to my free blueprint that will help you through the complete process step by step. First, I want to share some exciting news with you. Freebeat is hosting a challenge called the On-Beat Creator Challenge, and it's ending in exactly 10 days. If you use the code ONBEAT right now, you will get a 50% discount on the Pro plan. Simply click on the Join Challenge Now button to take part in this amazing event. This will take you straight to the Freebeat AI main window where you can create an account. If you want to join the challenge, at the top you will see a button that says Join Challenge, and this will take you straight into the challenge window. Here you can read through all the rules, and at the bottom you can submit your entry. But of course, we first need to create a video, so let's go do that now. To create a music video, all you will need are two things. You will need a good song and some images that you want to apply the effects to. Once you are inside Freebeat AI, the first page you will see is their AI music video agent. This agent can do many things. It can create singing music videos, storytelling music videos, and abstract music videos. But what we will be focusing on today is Freebeat's new on-beat effects. Once you click on that, you will go into their effects library, where you can choose from over 250 different effects to apply to your images and create your music video. Now, the first effect that I used was the powder explosion effect, which is this one here. To use an effect, simply click on it. The next thing you need to do is select the track that you want to use for this clip so the AI can sync the effect to your beat. You can choose from popular platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, and YouTube, and they have a search bar where you can search for trending songs. But if you are going to upload these songs to your social media account, I highly recommend that you generate your own AI music song. This way, you don't have to worry about any copyright claims. Now, to use a song that you have generated, you can simply click on the Upload Music button and then upload the song that you want to use. The next thing you need to do is remove the image that comes with the effect and upload your own image that you want to use. In this case, I will use this image as my first image. I will also add additional information for the AI to use to help create my video. If you want to know how I created my songs and how I create these prompts and images, stay until the end, where I will explain everything in more detail. Once you have uploaded your image, added your song, and adjusted the prompt, all you have to do now is click Generate. The AI will then go to work. It will analyze the image and the song, apply the effect that we selected. This is a three-step process. The first step is to verify that the video the AI has created is the one that you want to use. Once the first step is complete, you will see a preview window on the right-hand side, which you can click to preview how your video will look. If you are happy with it, you can simply say, "Yes, use this video." This tells the AI to continue to the next step, which is analyzing your track and finding the best parts to use this effect. Now that the AI has finished generating the video and analyzing our soundtrack, it has identified 3 parts in the clip where it thinks this would be the best place to add this effect. Select the part of the song you want it to sync to the beat, then click Confirm this section, and then click Continue. Now, the AI will go to the final step, which is syncing the beat to the video clip. Once it's done, you can preview the video it has generated for you, and then you can download it. Now, all that is left to do is repeat this process for all the images. The next effect I used was the mouth-in effect, which is this one. I applied it to this image, and it gave me this video.
Can we get that midnight touch? Hands up high.
Then I used the powder glide out effect, which I applied to this image, and it gave me this video.
Jump until we shake this town. Same old.
Next, I used the glitch effect. I applied it to this image, and it gave me this video.
On repeat.
The final one I used was the sugar on my tongue effect. I applied it to this image, and it gave me this nice dancing video. Now that we have all our video effects ready, the only thing left to do is go into CapCut and import your music track and all the on-beat effects videos you have just created. Then drag your soundtrack to the timeline, and also drag all your videos into the timeline in the correct order. Next, I want to extend the dancing clip. To do this, you can simply copy it and then paste it next to the clip you have copied. Then select that clip and click on Reverse. Now, to make the two clips flow naturally, we have to delete the dead frames by zooming in and removing the frames that are not moving. This will give you a much smoother transition between the clips. The next thing you need to do is add transitions. Click on Transitions in the top bar. Then select your favorite transitions and add them between all the clips. Next, adjust your audio file to the exact part you want to use and trim off the end. This part is optional, but you can also add some custom sound effects to make your video better. For example, you can add a glitch sound effect to make the glitching part stronger. And you can add an explosion sound effect to make the explosion more impactful. Once you are done, select everything, right-click, choose Create Compound Clip, and then export your video. Now, for those of you who want to learn how to create good songs and also how to turn your song into a storyboard, all you have to do is go to my blueprint. There, you will find step-by-step information on how to do it. The first step is to generate the music. Click on the first step to open the music prompt generator. The first thing you need to do is select which model you want to use. We will use Marika. Then select the number of prompts you want the AI to generate. We will set it to 3. Next, write what type of songs you want to create. I want to create viral trending songs. For the lyrics, I will set it to auto mode. The genre will also be set to auto mode. For vocals, I will select female vocals. For the mood, I will select energetic. For the tempo, I will select fast. The instruments will be set to auto mode. Now that our prompt is ready, simply copy the prompt and head over to Google AI Studio. You can use Google AI Studio completely free, and it gives you access to Gemini Pro. Paste in the prompt you copied and click Run. The AI will now create the number of song prompts that you selected. Once it is done, copy the first prompt and head back to Freebeat AI. In the left sidebar, click on Toolbox and then select Music Generator. Once you are inside the music generator, choose your model. We will use Marika V8. Then paste the prompt you copied from Google AI Studio. Next, we need to add the lyrics. Go back to Google AI Studio, copy the lyrics section, and paste it into Freebeat AI. Then click Create. You can repeat this step as many times as you want until you find the song that you want to use. To create the images for your music video, go back to My Blueprint and move to the next step, which is the image generation step. You can use the Generate a Consistent Character prompt if you only want to generate a character. If you use the Generate Full Storyboard option, it will generate the character, the image prompts, and the video prompts you need for your music video. When you click on it, the first thing you need to do is select how much of the song you want to use. For this example, I will select the first 30 seconds, but you can also choose Custom. This allows you to enter the exact part of the song you want to use. Next, choose the gender of your main character. I will set mine to female since my song uses female vocals. For the rendering style, I will select photorealistic. If you have a specific concept for your music video, you can add it here, but this is optional. Now, copy the prompt and go back to Google AI Studio. Paste in the prompt you copied. For the final step, you need to add the music track that you want the AI to use. This allows the AI to analyze the song, understand what it is about, and create images and video prompts based on the song. Once your song is uploaded, click Run. The AI will analyze your track and create a main character, image prompts for each scene, and video prompts. When the AI is finished, the first thing you need to do is copy the main character reference prompt. Then go to your favorite image generator. For this example, I will use Higgsfield AI. They provide access to many of the latest models, and the pricing is very competitive. If you want to try Higgsfield, you can find a link to it in the blueprint. Paste the character reference prompt you copied from Google AI Studio, and then select the model you want to use. I will use Dream 4.5. Then click Generate. Once the reference character is ready, drag it into the reference image section. Next, go back to Google AI Studio and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into your image generator and click Generate. Repeat this process for all the image prompts created by the AI. Once most of the images are generated, you can review them. As you can see, Higgsfield AI does a very good job of keeping the character consistent, and now we have several images we can use. All that is left to do is download them. Then go back to Freebeat AI, open On Beat Effects, and choose an effect you want to apply to an image. Upload the image you want to use. Next, go back to Google AI Studio. For every image prompt that was created, there is also a video prompt. These video prompts help improve your final video. If you copy them and paste them into the prompt section inside Freebeat AI, it will add more effects and make your video follow the storyboard that the AI created. If you want to try Freebeat AI, you can find the link in the video description. You will also find the link to my blueprint there. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it. If you want to learn more about the latest AI tools, subscribe to the channel. I cover many of the newest AI tools available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.